I want to show you something that I only just discovered it a couple of minutes ago. I was making a video, another video for the channel, and I just happened to look on the inside of the pillion foot peg on the right hand side of the motorcycle, this BMW S1000RR, and I saw something that, I don't know, I just got inquisitive about. So I pulled it apart and had a look at it, and blow me down if there isn't a bolt recess here that can be used for a camera mount, to mount cameras rearward on the motorcycle. So I'll show you what it is, and I think you'll be surprised. So you know, you've got this is the right hand side pillion foot peg carrier, and in our case we've got the HP foot pegs, so they're a little bit rougher than the standard ones, dark anodized aluminium. So basically, if you pull that pin out, right, you'll find something in there. And the interesting thing was, this is what I noticed. I noticed that there was this lump. It's not on the left-hand side, it's only on the right-hand side. And when I looked into it, it actually went in a fair way. And the bolts that we were using to mount these ram mounts to the motorcycle actually fits perfectly inside it. So I went, okay, let me just pull the foot peg out, the actual foot peg here, so that I can see what's inside. So you remove the circlip, pull the pin out, and when you pull the foot peg out, right, basically you've got a hole, but here's the interesting part. It's actually got a nut recess in there, specifically made for a nut to sit in there. So I'm trying to work out what the hell that is for. So now I've got a nut in there. Well, here's what we do. All we simply do is we get our ram mount. I might put a little bit of Loctite on it, so make sure it doesn't come undone. Right, and all I simply do, I just put a little washer on it, because I've already checked the spacing of this, and then that ram mount actually screws to that nut and mounts on the inside of that foot peg. So it doesn't interfere with the foot peg itself, but it's now mounted on the inside, and I'll show you how that works. And I just put this together. So it's a real simple process of reversing the dismantling process. Put your split pin through, put your little circlip down here on the foot peg, make sure that goes in place. Right, now we've got that, and what I'll do is I'll attach it and I'll show you what I mean. Right, so all I simply do is get the bolts, hold on with a torque screw, mount the foot peg bracket back on the right hand side. Okay, make sure they're nice and tight. Now, if you get one of these ram camera mounts, so it's got a ball on the other end where you attach the camera, right? And we've got this little ram mount here. Well, here's the cool part. Right? All it does, it simply attaches to here. And I've got a camera mount right at the back of the motorcycle.